Hello, 101.5 FM.
Sima edu pepepepe yamatia fo nyina ha yamamakwa babiem eba KTS CNN Asanteman #1 radio dial hello 101.5 FM so and asian koma kedian ponso adom yen kwan ne wadi ahia enebna da wie na asian so enkoma DJ Dave Hammer the Lunch King wadi akotwe num lunch awie dia agudie mu nsambre na aso yi. It's a free summer copy nom yes, your favorite power sport you may day and a day, bro. Baby, I will take Yanka. Your from is Steve Asaba Queen the Starboy, many power sports screening in Atlas Yabasom. Samuel Joaquin became the sports commander is in the house. Eric Opoku Jr. is also in the house. Kwabnaji man, the historian will say Samson Alaji Baba Shai wearing his Phobian colors. Baba ha. Sanso Anayenia Osai Sibe Jr. from the Red Camp, Kumase Asante Kotoko, Wadin Komoba. Every time Shabaka Mano Sonia and Pay for me so says Sajuni, Eddie Afan Samadaba Masway, Bedi Hunkomo, El Passport Sunkunya so. Of course, production team na Juma Kenneth Oben the master plan and the lead team no. Yao AJ Tender Cow be Vida Otabel, Rabio Tabel, Margaret na Shadrach, Nana Kwame Wider. Wamina can be and your bano said your favorite power sports crew. Yatras Yaria, Yano Baba Soma Bedia Groi. Yakwaso Sami Adenam ye, Yabakwam and Yabana, the latest trending stories. If you confirm so Benano, Kwagubo Kudia Breye. Na and watching sono, Yababa Bedin Komo. And Koma Ebedia, if you come on ye. The two Ashanti clubs, Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Ashanti Gold. Wamo Kokwanu weekendi Ediama Ghana, our African club competition. Kotoko Eko Kano, our CAF Champions League qualifying match against Kano Pillars, our Kano. Kotoko Akobon Wega, our Nkrai, Amayawa Deben, Otudu, and Ache Nigeria, Krani Dindi Kano. Ayatanasi, Yadi Honsem Yina, de Bro, Kotoko Ambuane, Konisei. Nano Kwasiada, Wobogra, Meshefi Kesiem, Aquagia Santimenra, Yevra, Otkokoso, Otunfo said to Trabe Bionishra. And to Korokobora, Meshefi Kesiem, Koti, Otunfo Shilano. And in a footuma panel, a dear bay, and a more fair film. Our bonnet Conisei, a Yatanasi Yade Bro. Ashanti Gordon so Abuasia was yes, you are Mubetun. No more Diomania Chen crying, no more to a switch now. Aqua Equatorial Guinea. Abuaka Sianso Kwasiada Be Wamuni Aquanangi FC of Equatorial Guinea and a deal by any CAF Confederation Cup preliminary round. Ash Gold, our boy, Connie saying, a year Baba Rabuasi, Nyakoti on Komo. Of course, Yabedi national teams and the national issues on Komo. It sounds any entity in the say. Asante got a Connie Ashanti Gold, Amuji, a special competitions out one. One more prize monies, and Yaba Primne, and Yadiaba. Referees in Swamudi special competition on Sono. Wamusika Swa Kem. Hey, normalization committee, Diana Muye. We ever crack a bomb, Plumia Kojimunchemu. Na announce Yaka Pomasibre. Ain't in Koma Babanye, and only a day to Bamasone, we are pensemu. Wagon child, by Fafa test line, and WhatsApp plans of Fabre 0265 170336 0265 170336. I'm saying now betonka. Yes, sir, streaming live across the world. Our social media, so Facebook address near Hello 101.5 FM. Hello 101.5 FM. For views or suggestions, or opinions, or comments, or consents. For any bra, Yanyama Cyberche. Maybe I'll be able to match now. Do I be chance to the about Hello 101.5 FM or Facebook address? No, so. And pray for so Kacha, the Fedicican, the Intabwafa, will be a Chidomini. Wisconsin International University. Show. And our best assurance for #1 reliable insurance company. Woman ask you as now, Yatsna said your favorite sports show you made at the Airbre War. And you may want to about the Anna Yakajagum, Abishia.
Hello, sports at Napakemu Yatia.
I have a man quabble. Qual?
Yeah,
now, no matter say.
oh, I never want a piece, so I never buy a piece. Also, transfer now. They say, they say the hottest players, no, Neymar, Christian Eriksen, and Arsenal captain Laurent Koscielny.
Na Paul Pogba the according.
Oh, Paul Pogba the Madrid the bid about now bid on the buy and agro Madrid. Agro, only 30 million pounds and James Rodriguez.
So you had any to England transfer window. Hey,
I don't want 30 million pounds and James Rodriguez. Someone pay Paul Pogba. Agro Madrid.
You yati.
Agro
Madrid now come as no.
Oh, we serious kakra.
Madrid now come as no. What is the year you
yeah, come Manchester so.
Yati. Okay. I'm saying stay tuned and check what could the home come na the brand that we I'm sorry media. Mama ko akra na me ma akra so akwa ba. Akra ya to.
Na dey akon.
Ya mo akwa bo.
Thank you very much.
You watch and say tell me.
Ya do my ya me konkra kakra.
Na kra te say.
Oh, ya me adum bani ni ho.
You say na no me hwa mo pictures bi na moment ye ni gina ice bath. I say your friend say you know drum kakraka no. Jellica no. I had over the blog group now has replaced them.
Last year coach Kim Grant yeah. Now Ungarano could speed and I'm on 40 minutes chase you woman.
It's
yeah, I'm on 40 so now. As I before the down the tank as I
Hello, sports.
I'd rather have the Papa Munya and Papa Muena. Drum there.
Once now be in Gallo. What does it? Ubi any conquer once and first of all car.
Yati.
The you be fee and say be fee.
Yati.
This year pay one no.
You yati.
Mama be banana can see pay one.
Say no.
Pay one.
Yes, my new player.
Benadata.
Onu so ban so kasa.
Oh, as I saw kasa say. Obi kokofa. Tanzania player be by. Nipa bi beje no ho e ofia ha. Now no Abidjan for by what 29 and Quabra ne ko.
Why new player Kodogo Adingra.
I mean Dabi I beg you. What 29 and Quabra ne ko we no kan yam sam. Sa we na sa player no kan yam jam supporters no. Different environment maba.
Hello sports at Napaka.
Baba you just come up Baba they say. You ready? Yeah, okay, you ready. You ready Baba?
Number 1.
Try ice not in your capwa. But try
Benadata. Pencil down his signature for glorious across the foe. For unbeatable house of foe. For uncomparable house of foe. For unsizable house of folk. The one-time CCM, the Continental Club Masters.
Yeah, titles no dorsal, accolades no dorsal.
We are chasing quality players, but not quantity. Operado. Glorious across the full line up some friendly matches this week, and I'm done playing.
Okay, thank you very much, Accra Jato. We sent you have some comment about Baba Namutesa Baba Shai, and then the tough about media. I mean, club ya camp. Na say what's that way and cry to say say training now mo ya AstroTurf Asabaja AstroTurf no so na ye
team bi o ko mu nyani papa ko mo ko agofе wo mu
o say
aye ma
mu training po
ni
hey
aye ma ama
awo Accra Academy ho
Academy no
Asabaja AstroTurf no so
sa
training na ko
for baby finance
ade omu kotokoda na
masa place kuta no ya bi no mo kase na obi ba ya wo hunu so ni ade no o da me ba
yo yati
na bi no kotena fridge eye cooler na utimi nye trophy a o cool na wa ye no
eno ye ice bathing
aya fridge don't worry aya fridge ento cool na benya park ne so a wo cool to sa block o ba da tumrika o ta tumrika
yati
ko ko awu nyi bi
akuti ayemo de
Hello Sports at Napakan Yatia.
mo se bi no jeja fridge
yo
ya ni antimi anye NC tournament
yo yati
se so enim so mo sa be jeja fridge mi se league e ba bo no mo betimi aye bibi o aja player bia de o sign na o say me mo France na me sa asumasi team ya me boy ani waba for front team ya me boy ani
why there Abja asasi be na matere ka no ode kotokonko mo beba ebrepem na onfa eho ani ani nsemmra na o twampo asa no na meko no obiem ebrepem no de aba what idea ne ka baba
Well, see, these two players cannot survive.
And also can headline
Ah.
okay yate here ba be details
O ka kwa se wa.
ai
Well, see, Kasuso
esawara baby Alhaji Ali Madonna obi anene show ne dedicate ma Mr. Alhaji Ali Madonna nyame ya adoma nanu kwasi ada ali ayama na efe papa woni ne okari na fisa to makoma wari abum fe nti on behalf of the whole Power Sports crew yema Ali etri enkwa na ebepem yebe na amamra ni dia osie ye bia so yaye atoaso akra woni aware yo
Umsa weekend me ko di Accra to Freli Madonna bona
ma
me ko ja haji fo no kwan na menu abako menu akoma na okọ haji na me ko ja no kwan tin Freli Madonna kai se mi utimi nyame bọ no tuntam de a anka me baba antintam
o ye ko ha chiri kama
anti
bia kama pa na asana ali insa ontimi insa nisiti sisinye sama yankwa amananemna na Erigoboku Junior emfa amananen koma ahodo nyina emre wa krado pokwa hiti na obey de emso yankwa shell aso ye ne enkope fa ngo papa mu unya fa ngo papa bu wi a ene je sama shell se yankan chon so be sa change oil wa bra utua 5 Ghana cedis pe aka na bi na nkrofo utua 70 Ghana cedis ana 80 Ghana cedis eri change wa mu engine oil say dia ubenya quality authentic engine oil papa Shell Helix and a Rimula lubricant Edia Guke Mua Utia Sikakuma 5 Ghana cedis pe the one from Kwan Opa Fang Opa Pebua Shell Aso and so Bura now it's my change oil abra Utia 5 Ghana cedis pe Shell us happy your car happy your life adaba for Adam for no yan kwamna ne pokwa krado bema
yeah.
When Mark Rooney kojo assign 18 months contract at the man Derby County na a player coach contract and when Mark Rooney was signed yeah say only Philip Koku I say Koku ne coach Derby County after Sir Frank Lampard dey free call Chelsea no nti eno ne die APM a ye di MIT fonti Rooney no basha number 32 jersey at the man Derby County bought championship Ghana Hanke Division 1 nti Rooney from back to Baton wasaba England they say the Obama championship Ghana ha anka a Division 1 Bruno Fernandes and also latest no HSA only Tottenham Hotspur a rich personal agreement Bruno Fernandes Sporting Lisbon for captain no only Tottenham rich personal agreement nemo Sika Sporting Lisbon for edge no and Tottenham for MET Tottenham so 56 Samsung Sporting Lisbon so 64 enti 56-64 na je say kakra ewom no enso ne die pie ma ye di ema etefo na kodo ye to so de ja Gonzalo wono so wa pass medicals a oba be si akan enso e de ema Manchester City Unai Emery wono so say Arsenal player for manya Nicolas Pepe ebe ya Arsenal sita fo nya to basema player no na ogide san kakra obetimi aba be team num Crystal Palace another rejected offer from Crystal Palace from Everton. Everton at the 65 million pounds at the above for reference Zaha. Now, and Crystal Palace can ever form into Enadia, Womo Ebeji Sikano, and only the Epima, Yadi MIT for Efa reference Zaha, Nimu Eddie Free Crystal Palace. No, Laurent Koscielny finally. Me say the ordinary extra French League Animal, Kojo Bordeaux ni Arsenal, Majatum, 4.6 million pounds. Anna amu etia dia Arsenal se ubo Laurent Koscielny or Bordeaux hono oka kosia kan enso ede ama omo Bayern Munich so na komo ebesanka omo ebe test post no hesanka omo ya Gareth Bale na enso kojo report eba je say antintam nti omo so asasa omachi ye omo ede omani eche baby fufuro ye to so na ja koye nim no Kevin De Bruyne was Rodri ye omo kokofa no Efri Atletico Madrid no wogidi say ba oba no oba beboa ama Man City team no team jana so no community show no kwa no jam den you know enso so apoa Man City etimi ehye Liverpool mo eje community show no Romelu Lukaku kojo confirmation aba they say our Anderlecht Belgium no oni Anderlecht nkola no koye training Lukaku ono so de dia nebom Inter Milan at the 73 million pound offer aba still yes United edge chu mo enase United sika we tia kofa Lukaku no say sika na wo mo ehye Jurgen Klopp ne assistant coach kojo wono so babonten o si na de o meto no bebre players no dodo na ho enti omo hwa ba bia ho atechema kakra bi no ana omo ebe o say Liverpool transfer market kojo omo say only 1.3 million pound pe enu 2 million pounds kra
onye na adwene so otobi
omo no na assistant coach ne say wono coach ne adwene so womo NCS ke bebre say transfer policy no enu kwa say toto players ne bebre enso ede eba eno ene de apiemu enso ho na Kevin Rooney West Bromwich Albion for Ebemu na so
Hello Sports
Dickinson and so Arsenal and Nottingham Forest for Edwin said be on so betimi akoko to the ball no so Nottingham Forest and no any de APM na obekaya Wolverhampton Wanderers kojo no mo player ba kubia wono so ebobo pa ye pa no player fan e ne rest na kojo report eba no HSA Manchester United awuram na the rest no Ajax anu sia kan Ajax for say 64 million pounds and then so yes United amaki official bid say almost so ebetona United at is 46 64 no more pen United are done no I had 46 and no more ediko ESPN Brazil and I report to here so more enso so ebetimi aka and one ensem kodo ye to so ne akwa Lionel Messi was in a calf injury enti Barcelona team so kokopiemu America Lionel Messi went to be ankobi. Now, Real Madrid and first official bid for Paul Pogba, 30 million euros, and of James Rodriguez, one more Eddie account, 30 million euro, and James Rodriguez, and any first official bidder, Real Madrid aye, so more Eddie pay Manchester United, or we play friend Paul Pogba. Mineral so HSA, Juventus for Epe Paul Pogba. Now, Juventus interest na no betimi aboa amane de rewre mu adada player no amana kosi akan e ama Juventus say de ohia aka enna no be mienu e de kakra na England mo transfer window no wo mu etum na kojo Donny van de Beek Ajax for no mo aka mo squad mo de bo UEFA Champions League qualify no na ka Real Madrid for epe no na so be sine Real Madrid for entimi enka wonsam ye Christian Eriksen say de Tottenham was for quote almost 50 million pounds and then so interface a summary a copy me order there while Eriksen piano betimi about 50 million pounds and no any sika would be tournament say you need United any DHS so mo air pen de Roma so HSA or mo player bako ye fan ye General Rossi one woko into mo air pen replacement yes almost Radma Fakao and as Ede Hazard Edin Jeku or mo emu bako and no ebeka kofano amana be replace mo Paris Saint-Germain release 3 players Cameroon strike on the call Nesis Cap Eric Martin Chupo Maxim Kojo Omo Original Stanley Nsoki also Omo Original fe Jesse Rodriguez sa place me saying Tottenham Hotspur for Original Omo so Omo for money chebe before Angel Korea and so see akan Edmund Atletico Madrid AC Milan for so Omo epe mo 40 million euro and any sika Omo etua de di etua no oko Germany French football Omo a report to City and the Bayern Munich reach agreement Efa Leroy Sané ho kojo sika APM no 110 million pounds enu ni sika APM no Efa Leroy Sané no say there it is a Chelsea money sika kran ko to bi aband kra so ensa ba yi ye body sika ni dia na wo ko achi enti na Paul Pogba make us a Real Madrid for na grow ya bomani so the 30 million euro and James Rodriguez
yeah outrageous transfer market brim enti no krenie wa hweye na ukodwa so no amwani ana ha ye bebu pa
Chelsea for so ya tabu pa
yeah yebu ye
just there
mo na mo Harry Maguire kra Munia Harry Maguire kwa ye dibu mwane.
Harry Maguire de o top player.
Yati why. Okay. Harry Gabagu Junior na Martin Nkano wadi amana ne nkoma ahodo ni nyina de abre ye wie na manya ne ntie se the patron himself. Ya bra panyi Kofi Asai bra kwa Abate. Osi otie live. Eti Abate baby a obi an nyame enka ho. Sanso de nya emergency call se CS Opoku High School. SHS na nhwe ni mu pe yesi agya bi ato ka bi mu on ma mekofa nsem pii di aba nti ebesese dumja fo mpanyifo ene aban bo mpanyifo a mo ben ho nyina no aye Opoku RC SHS nhwe ni mu pe o santase kwa no so no agya ato ka bi mu on ma ne kofa nsem pii di aba mo hwe na mo ma ano enjo emma yen Samuel commander atena sintimi ko no ho na amana ne nkoma hodo a aba ewie no wona adwen nche so aba e dia fa mi amenu apanyi silver so no savior a woni mount bra ene wa wodan ti jame enka ho commander
yes star boy
eni komo e
na Abate wase abaje nkwa na
there be patrons wo twam moko bechem ko ye ne no ma bi na o twam
Kofi
aha what you like
Abate is Abate
yes
he's a good man,
very good man,
no matter what some people will say,
very good man.
Abate is Abate. Real Madrid some of them are very funny because so to me to Luis Figo in the year 2000 62 million euros. Now to me to Zidane 2001 77 million euro. Minimum the entire now person to Pogba only ready so bet you 150 million pounds sterling. Me to ma say enti clearly o ma say Pogba no mo si o mo peno o mo de o man no na peno. They don't really believe in their Galactico policy anymore. Omope Pogba, Manchester, and Kase Onye for sale. Bring the money and come and take Pogba. Simple and short. Now there is one player who is emerging as the biggest name in the transfer window in the last days, Christian Eriksen. I heard this boy, I asked for any training, about that's Tottenham Hotspur in the year 2013. Now here ball Alabama, Tottenham Hotspur. He looks to be in the mix. Juventus 4 penal, Real Madrid penal, Atletico Madrid penal, and after Manchester United and so penal. But one interesting thing is, so any buyout clause now. Teams somewhere outside the English Premier League, after Thursday, one bet for a cut-throat price of £50 million. But Manchester United recruitment to my I believe so many boy in the sense one. At age 27 or you're quite young and now here the form also so last season Manchester United that's Tottenham Hotspur one more progress in the UEFA Champions League. It was down to him. Manchester United so no middle of the pack lack creativity lack obi betimi agebo no ama a killer pass ama go aba enti Christian Eriksen number 10 so amon sakana me feel say ebe boy ye pa and so say eba ne chese or say Senior Real Madrid, Manchester United. So we are looking for say on Baba Manchester United players for more turn na season na yebeshasi wetimia provided likes of Anthony Martial, Marcus Rashford some level of assistance and spending so much in the transfer market never translating Manchester United moving away from Omar Bismarck number 8 positioner. You know, last season we had this time we were all looking so making a big realm in the top 4. And Oba not ojibe £100,000, £150,000 crime fee say ebeboa. Now Brantia Bakuswan who ya come here Romelu Lukaku. Is a Lukaku or Belgium on the underlet for the training. News of Free Libanese say Juventus they are cooling their interest in Lukaku and they are likely to sign Mauro Icardi from Inter Milan. And you know this boy Lukaku which may you bold F England Aquatana Belgium only underlet for the training.
What here?
Well sir, pre-season koso international Kobani say Inter Juventus move now koso
na interforce so amfa sika papa bi amba then you end up playing for the under 23s of Manchester United. Some players we no also musua there, but some of them seem not to be learning. And Lukaku onhwe because say interforce amfa sika papa bi amba, Manchester will not let him go. And clearly Juventus some kofa Mario Icardi, then I don't think they will add you Lukaku to their striking department, particularly Emra Obisa Paulo Dybala and Timia movie. Samsona does your Croatian striker Mandzukic so. Last but not the least, Wayne Rooney. To be frank,
the white Billy.
Wayne Rooney, I just say normally the difference between Abrofu footballers, any black footballers, no, a lack of professional planning. Wayne Rooney, I say at age 33, Nimfio Emma from Kwane Kosro, and likely at the end of the day, Bedu Baby Nyadu betimi atwaso as a footballer, and he has started his coaching badges and into a club Ubenya not only a playing role but also a coaching role. Already Derby County, they offered their internship, their kind of attachment, you know, because they offered it to Frank Lampard. Lampard decided he nearly qualified Derby County into the Premier League. Aston Villa qualified ahead of Derby, but today Lampard is the coach of Chelsea after the attachment of Derby County. Into when Rooney make us a good move. He has nothing to show in football. When Rooney from age 16 or from age 9 or enter into Everton or Academy till age 16 or enter into Manchester United. Met me a catcher say he's seen football. Oko England is the best goal scorer in England for their national team. For the great, record champions of England, Manchester is the greatest all-time goal scorer. Oko English Premier League after Alan Shearer. He's the second top, highest goal scorer in the English Premier League. So he has nothing to prove. And Sikano so are there before, no so the man on but 100,000 a week. There are some Premier League players Omon team commanding 100,000, pounds a week. Until when Rooney, Yamana Kwabe beyond back into England, and at age 33, Mejidi said gradually is nearing his coaching career. And DC United and so one more bro, 23 goals in 43 matches plus 14 assists. How they call into mathematical permutation that works out that's about 37 goals and assists in 43 matches for DC United. Why are they
fantastic?
And I believe say why enhance the image of the Major League Soccer and coming back into the championship, we boosted the chances of Derby County. Almost so much as so every weekend against Huddersfield, they were able to beat Huddersfield. Huddersfield full fee by 2-1. And Philip Kokwasha here into be say when Rooney won't be beer in football. No, but you say to boost the chances of Derby County going into battle seeking promotion into the Premier League.
Yo, Commander Nanwesi Ewa Mananen Komanu, the Ayania Befie, Mammy Camfo, Wisconsin International University College, and Famobio Pepaso called to a so cool. I and you might pay any day, dear, for any chess school paying no more comwa. Memacho, Ghana's leading private investor affiliated to high-profile investors across the world. In 2 years, school year, body crata de Bemano. We are Siaman saying na so Edjumape and Yo, the Ubenya my 10 sunti, Yantem Nakope, Adisia Copenim Dia Copa Body, El Kratao, Wisconsin International University College. School year be admission, our first year for Oyo SSC, Ana Wasi certificate holder, Oyo be a Ukra diploma, Ana HND, Ana other recognized certificate was wrong. One member admission. And not say, we are mature student. Where they are 25 years. But your memoir access course which me car Ubekura University movie and no and non-chain crown courses. How do I now programs? How do I invest BI and Nimupan and I was Ropano? Where be your hall? Watch that boy Bachelor of Law, Bachelor of Science in Nursing in IBL, Wisconsin International University School new for year papa now. Ufrechi crown ever Ubenya hostels papa them Eshiawa dear. School visit board from Kulem. Yebema Breama one how, what you and Kakranka Kanti Pacho, Shan when you bro, and president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo enti SHS ni free nti say there SHS ay free no baby ay fa adwuma ye be show certificate e dey amu adwuma no ye university there to be anko penim there o university na be kɔ there Wisconsin International University ana meka for e dey ama school na cha kwanya ira komo ofi yasi atonsu kwa no so obetimi akɔ internet website is www.wiuc.ghana.edu.gh and abetima from 0557 316025 0557 31 6025 and 03223 92584. Samuel Yankobie phobia ponomra. Commander,
me break convention kakrana.
Okay.
Me wo meeting bi obabi ntimi.
Ane mame fa we ntwima na yenye.
Odi twim kra na me ba me kitamadwo na me de ba. Me ma tro de me be ka kra gubi paso ansa. Normalization committee.
I was bra. Ya ko be chef kesie bu mransa. Na no kwesi ada crop ya ko me chef kesiem. E ko je asante manwura nhira. Na abro mu wura me chef kesiem. Asante manwura, asante kotoko wura. Otufo se to abebio. Ne small kafa. Asante kotoko executive board chairman Dr. Kwame Chehuniye.
Ne nuan ma ba ba chia me na se ba ba kram we. Nim se adwuma me de ahye ne nsa no eso. Enso oguso awo ye obeso mu enso me hu se da bia obon homodin se tim no be pagya kama brase ne yinti ma me hu se kakra enya de de be ha me kra ono aguso na mo ye mo ade kakra me se mo nto aso sa mo amuka hu nyina obi anyina komam na mo mfa no se adwuma mo ye ama me ne asanteman an se minim se agudie Ghana de no ase na akofom kakra Emonsem bebre na so motimi asomo ama ahihia bedru sei na nyame ncha de sei champions ya da bia ye no ne ni abrese ye beko no masa nya kwan amokoi mo be ka se mre bia twemu ye ka se kotokoko champions ye dia na wiase nyina wo so che enti no ana me hwe se mo be sa ama na ba za se mokoi o se nipa nyina nya gidi o se kotoko de ye nku o mo nkungu ye ko ne kodi nkuni maba enam de atwamo da bia na mo ebia mo koduru kwam na abanama gidie no ya akọ na so mi wo rehye mu se besa agina ho
hello sports at napakemu yachia
asante manwura otufo se to abebio na abusua mote ne nka wo chire mu se ba eye Dr. Kwame Chedi team na nima ba na ye ne de pa na obon pa se we dia kotoko onkoso koemu e man sapan ne mum omukọ amudu wi beba otkoko so ekasa wie ye board Dr. Kwame Chaba so wie no oka bibi kakra fa kotoko new coach Shuttle Zacharias no mumien kotie
intimidie se mosimo nya broni fofra wo kire wo mu menim se mo amu wo gidie wo no ma fa wo no so onye nti ono so onte ye kasa na no aka kire no se ye de yenkun wa baje no media na se wo kwa mankola na kwhye ti wo ne nchreche pa wo de be kire mranti na be mo matimi akon akoye nimu nti ye de ahye ne nsa no onka hu se empanyimfo eda no kwamche no bibia fata bia menim so mo ye ma wo mo ne nkola.
Okay. Yara enso ensem kakra fa ka kotoko new head coach no a wo sese kotoko fo mpanyimfo ma ne hu se kotoko de omo paade efe kotoko paade papa nti wo kire oya plan ne tactics a on plan ne yie e ma kotoko nkodi nkuni mu agopama no so asko so two coach fu wie no or the players nso afutu ma ho mumien kotie ensempa asante manwura ka kire kotoko players
ono wo ye ne de no mukogina park no so a executive chairman woni ho Accra rep onyina ho bi mu na mugina park no so ti mo menana no so a mo kobo no mo nka hu se ye kan nyina kotoko no mo na wo mahwe mo ayi mo a mo betimi abo amaye ansa me warehye mu se mpanyimfo no hwe mu no ne coach no mo ayi mu a mo tuwe de chezo wo mo gidi se mo na mo betimi ahwe matim na kwa animu pa nti mo kro no mo ma adeni hia mo na mo makotoko din no nkom na mo ntimi nye emfen nkunim die mre yen wa de o se mo hu no se mo so mo dwuma amafa no no enti onye se me na wo ya ma wa hu so se de be ya wo so betimi abo akọ animu enti won so gina park na so agitum se wo dwuma wafa no no enti won so wo ya ma na ye ya ma ho atekama enti wo matrimu da ba mu a na se wo ya ho se won tre ho mo a wadwen se bia me ne kotoko na ha na wan so ha ho na mo ayɛ mmeranteɛ nso deɛ bɔɔl no mo bɔ wiayɛ a mo na ebinom sɔre a ne yɛkyiri anadwo yɛnya ahoɔden nti yɛ saa na mo ahoɔden no kɔ ebi ayɛ bi saa mara nkoduru baabia nti ɛno nso mo hwɛ yie mo yɛ mmeranteɛ wo deɛ no ka ho a ɛnyɛ yie na woyɛ ho sɛ otirim yɛ ɔdɛ sɛ ansa wɔbɔ kɔtɔkɔ nam kuma sɛ yɛbɛsosɔɔ so a wɔn ma bɛsosɔɔ so no a na bɛsa agye wɔ mu amo ahwɛ nti
Hello Sports at Napakai mu yachia.
Asante Manra, Nyansabo akwa. Ne nsɛmpa ne na futuo de ma akɔtɔkɔ team no abra na no kwasi ado mo kɔsra ni. Mame fa no emma commander akwa ba ofie nkomo no na onkeka nhye.
Nana Nyankwada
piao.
Nana Nyankwada akɔtɔkɔ so ye mo tiri nkwa. Omo kɔ Kano Thursday. Omo already in Accra. Omo boabo omo for sa assignment no. Na me gidi say Kotoko be guided by omo previous participation in Africa. But yenya namfofo bi o UK. Isi abefo kwantempo na aba no. Ama ewiase abie. Owura bi na no memende anwumre. Me hosa na Facebook Messenger. Or contacted me on Facebook Messenger and or requested for my number and owura no your friend Moses ni how nyane say or Ghana ni de share United Kingdom na or say na no memenda the opportunity to watch us live on our program.
Oh, okay.
Na or say na ni agye ho yepa teacher Kwabena Agye. Say I'm really impressed with you and your panelists, and you are doing a very fantastic good job calling a spade and offering constructive criticisms. I like the guy who was giving the historical facts. It was really good. The way the whole program is organized is very good. Well done. And I'm so proud of you. And then we also know or say or sharing live on Facebook. On the man, you know, and incidentally they are twins. Bakuya Malcolm and Bakunsia Malden. Malcolm supported Manchester City and Malden, I am Manchester United supporter. And Tiadomasi all the way, I'm Ghanaians, but the unique in Kuala unfortunately, China Kano, Omonte, into Omonte Baku be said the Brofone Frema. And to Malden Malcolm, Yadamasi, Kotoko American Kano, we wish them well.
Normalization next time also Muyebi and Dakojachi.
Normalization committee. Because you want community hall. Man says, man be chucha my name in seminary. Why? Normalization. Man boss subako. Now the adaku jacha the woman. Sana ide.
Normalization has said.
Me real fee. Me me come back from Matron and Opat. So don't try to.
Hello Sports at Napakai mu yachia.
Rep somebody special competition met you amuka.
Ebeba.
What's your beba?
Obuji ai. Babusi beba.
Ewe me chia ni mado. Oye mo Peace FM nyame hwa no baba shai obi a oye ntem ginani ti asa me kan yi o ene obi a oye otembuani say I got it right a judge ene obi o gina nipa mienu o musi akan finfin hwe emergency be to about 2020 na Electoral Commission of Ghana yentu omoka obisa abato na ye beto no abekoyi say you know the various competing forces no we metimi anya level playing field no omo yentwi omo kawo enti se akoba ne se me no na esi aka ne me nsem aduru chen na me si akire a how are you going to then promote fair play? It doesn't make sense.
Se sempo she otrim na se utwa kofia ehia.
What you say?
What be kura so betwa wo?
What you say?
The 100 ade no wugina free no.
What you say?
Nakatua mai.
You see?
You
see? So the man in the center, referee, no, I say electoral commissioner. They are boy a whole championship every year. They are not paid. And we come and sit here and we have to discuss it. On my bemu and Nasade will be see. And you think about useless name change, unnecessary change of logo and image for the end. Clearly, you see, normalization committee, they came to normalize nothing. Woman take your bad decisions. You are near Piace, as you call them, Dankoku Abuakon, say Eja, one in a famra, as bad as the decision is, honor the messenger. Decision on Muteki, and he wasn't part. He's just come, yes. Yadia Sumano. What you say? Yeah, they are sumano. What you say? And it's sometimes, you know, funny and absurd. Normalization committee, earlier they go the better. No matter say Congress date.
Nyame adomo a. Ompayifo si omuchitu mu a 14, 15, 16.
Nyame ya dom
this month.
Me da bia me ka
Congress.
Mrs. Papa no Dr. Kofi Amoa no. Ono obi se togbe afede no. The way omode wo mo brad, omode omo brabo aye no. Ama omo tutu papa so football me ntimi nka. I'm telling you. Obi se togbe afede, it's very difficult to criticize him. Look at what he's done with his life. Obi se papa ye kan asemi. Sorry na brabo wa. Now head the world to your born no papa so a. Kwajo I hear no Kana, if you are Kamana Dr. Kofi Amoa is a very well respected international businessman, no doubt. But for its normalization, affairs of Ghana football, me crime man is zero crime farmer.
Yate.
Me coming Canada, the way about equal. Mona more clubs. Do you have hope in this direction?
Okay. I'm sure the Atiane said, and pay for a new status, no, the Ama club owners, so Munko him. Eti club owners ni nyina ekwa new status na normalization for draft akwa FIFA no no mu gitu mu a every 14th of this month ekosi 16th of this month and pay for be me akwa Congress wo mu kwa Congress a na bibia da din dia who be 27 September ye beto aba a new FA executives
September dia kwan wa ye bom paye se na menye yadom we was say referees ne ba jiji mo competition kura mo boy yi first year and second year. One more GG because they were not paid.
Okay.
Referee, who Trianica can any abin one Trianica.
Hello, Jenny has some come
Yes, of course. Me that's it. I have some focus usual.
When you miss Shamu, Minia Babako, Adiza Zongo Pioneer, Baby Obia, Jalabia, Biodi Free Tabreme. My nana see Adiza Zongo Pioneer,
Yamishano. Any imagine me dear.
What is that? You to not in carry.
I cry with you.
I brought you a friend of Bernard Atta, formerly of Liberty Professionals. Utukakakra, our band to see or touch it down and House of Folk, and then Akasa and Ra, Konana San 3 Bernard Atta San 3 years at the House of Folk. We remember so plan the trade with House of Folk. Some papa, they say no Baba can't on myself so one. And him hono a bit me ye kakra edi amai. Now information is which there's some best another striker. Edi account next is a fedi. I don't know if you pay your cry the House of Folk and now midfielder Bakoso also Mepa Bakoso edi House of Folk. It is all in no fun in church moi and I said in the camp corner House of Folk ya sign place me no Dominication. And a Bernard Atta. And I'm PR of House of Folk. Ura Parado was say quality is better than quantity. Ketiriso, and I Ketirisi, Essin Dudu. Ubest a place in cho, Nessono, who are mouse and so him. And now we strategic signings are, if he say, Dinya des has better as about best Sabu, Miss Remeka, 8 players, 9 players, 10 players, WWE. Timina Hono last year, no, Korano be free Timunko away. Into strategic signings, at least Abroso Kran and 4 players to beef up the old squad. Now, my team, no, team up, into my Pelfra, and I can grant it so you more way, and I saw any Ankasa into do send me and call me and say, I change beer in 1 year, Jumano, and I say, consider person for so, or she said Timono, ye support Nessa, ye de Emano. One more program saying Yami Aduma, a Daya Wada, and a Memeda, on about 2 friendly matches. Yawada, and the memory that has the 2 friend match, Yamiko market to Paja, Bonibia, and Chanama, okay, inshallah. We said to sing in Yama, supported in Yabu to sign as idea, has to be minimum and you be
Mudia strategic sign.
Strategic sign is said, opera you 2 Yano. Mammy for me, Chancoma, allergic caterpillar. Oi, Casa Sarkin to Massey, now, Nunia, Osman Caterpillar, which Yamunana. Bashaka, Joy Prempe,
Magazine MP,
the Magazine MP, with us,
you, Baba, yes, you say, young got here, Crobby and Come, Kotoko, Wega, or to you as Samoja has to tell for school. Crobby, Adaben and Bermudia.
And say, I have first one. I had new field. I ya bosso. I used to train and Chebea for Bakwaka home. If you credit be and so ha, won't mean Casa. That Johnny say, I can't nyame no kura nim ni mpaabo kase a menhia hemfie di ma players no ani afutu kase a amde ma wo no a ginger players no too much say spirit na ba ama say dey bia koso boko e wo camp ye boko boni bia ni camp and na ko training ground so a hot is stadium supporters na ba ma time you say yes ye won kran a nka be fan kran na boyebo ka team bi wo ko akonya ba kokora na ye kan no be strategic ye strategic signings uniska o se dronye uniska o se dronye o dia se uniska se dronye asabera okay me come asem
o say ka asem baba sha oni platform
so asante kotoko ya kono ye tifio kumasi asante kotoko ye ntifie ye ko ye wa kono omo assure say dano ye ball match wa ha no nipa bebrebe anti coach no ade a wo ye na se coach ni say sa kano players no omo strategy omo ye de say wan shewa
ama on shedo
eti onu so adopt new system a fe say
okay
wo so wan sheme a miso wan sheme ene de won do ball
oh yes through your system
yes it is a system no na so okọ
ena mo de ko kanu
ye ko kanu na so okọ na obo first 15-20 minutes no hu say
kwandam dia
obo change formation
yo
sort as ya sha frigim yo eti say no ya da
na ayi Shafiu ni Yakubu Amanko say be ha dwunu
ida na de omo mai na kotoko ni ho
yo ya che
ya say ukuma apima apim beba opoku ti ma be sene ko opoku free no di kotoko no ko has esu de kotoko the phone ya friends club championship sanity ebi ko no na bi ba we are just over ba ye ni problem kotoko da ha ma obi a o ma ye ni players inti top players no so what I say we hwe mu a ya the 5 to transfer 5 ko enye 10 every team a muna bi anko a obi di akọ dia ye ko ya boya no twede kaka enti ko to kuma sa ni ko to ko gira ho ni nyina ne se asemo a opimso aka no enna se se ye bo ho mpaye e dia 30 team na chi e dia ko ye nyina supporters wo se nyina fa mpa bokase ye emfa 30 team na chi na team ni ko ninku do o hwa de se team be dinku nim e dia ba santimem eno ne nyina hwehwe boni bi anim me di be si
yo say that say kwana ene de na de be ba kuto
since 1992 Eda Memenda Chatua Kotoko Din Kunim, 27 years ago, Africa man.
Hey, and I who FSC.
Tiname Aduma, where they
match news you are born
Memenda, and
Kano.
Yeah,
Kotoko Winnie. Memenda,
I chat to
African, they cut one year say 27
years ago.
Yamesa,
Tiname Aduma, bomb pie free Sabria Memenda for Krobia to at least drawn game in Ghana.
Pamani Manono, Abakosimo Asha say Yiba, where they empay, Yamon saying Yami Mungu, Marco to Kofa Rinel, and now draw a cado. Can it hear what he say?
Hello, 101.5 FM.